So this quick video is going to look at a couple of personal automations. I've gone to the Power Automate screen, which I've navigated to by going into my office.com. From there, I go into Power Automate. So essentially, you need to log on to the browser and find your waffle and find Power Apps from there. You can just type in your app from there to find it, and it's Power Automate. And what we're going to have a look at here is concentrate on templates. Now we can just go to create, we can go to flows, and there are other options in here. But we are concentrating today on templates. And when you look at templates, you'll see all sorts of templates that are available, and it can help you brainstorm, what could I possibly use automation for? You'll see all of the automation templates have some icons on them, because what it does is tell you what applications are linked by what you're looking at. So we are going to concentrate on this one. And as you'll see, it's connecting Outlook to my OneDrive. Up at the top, you can find different templates that relate to your email. And email is a good one if you use it to be able to improve the way you work. So we're going into this one, and you'll see what it does is it's showing that it's connecting these two apps in my Microsoft 365 ecosystem, and it's showing me that it needs to connect in to both of these. So they are both connected now. Once they are connected, I can use and look at the flow. Now, when we look at the flow, there is a new designer button and an old one. So if you're new to it, you may want to stay with the new designer because you are in the new environment. And what I'm going to do here is it says on new email. So this is my flow, and then it's my condition. In here, I've got on new email. And in here, we've got some parameters that we can choose to use. I have chosen to only with attachments, and it's saying what we do if it's true. So those of you who use Excel, if statements is exactly like that. It's following the path if it's true. And in here, it is creating a file when the condition is satisfied. And if it's false, then it is not going to create the file. Now, what's great about this is that you don't have to write this. It's using a template with predetermined parameters. Later on in your automation journey, you'll probably need to make some amendments, but this one is really straightforward and simple. So I'm just going to change it to attachments to my OneDrive. And I'm going to go back so that I save that and go back. I've just saved it, so I know it's fine. And this one will show me it here. Let's just go back into it. It's automated. So I don't have to do anything, and it's telling me it's ready to go. Just looking at this, I've got the name of the flow, the fact that I'm an owner, and because it's personal, that is absolutely fine. It belongs to me and the way that I work. And there is a history. We can turn it off if we want to, and we can share it. Although if your colleagues want to do it, you will notice that there is an option. So what we want to do to test it is send myself an email and check that the flow is running. So what we're going to do now, I'm just sending myself an email with attachments. In here, this will enable us to look and to test that it is working. And in here, we can see that when a new email was received, and it worked because we have ticks here. And you can see that actually the email succeeded and there is no issue with this flow. And this flow will carry on running until I stop it. So once you go into your OneDrive, you will see that the email will be sent with the attachment to it directly. So once you've navigated to your OneDrive, you should see that the file that was sent as an attachment has automatically saved itself into my OneDrive.